Find general solution to a quadratic equation. Number 1, here is x square plus 5x minus 2 4. We follow this equation. Okay, here a means 1 because here x coefficient is 1. Then b, this is 5. Then c, this is minus 24. So we put the value here. Look, here is minus b, minus b means 5, plus minus root here is b square. B square means 5 square minus 4 into a is 1, c means minus 24. Okay, divided 2 into a means 1. So what will be the answer? Here is minus 5 plus minus 5 square means 25 minus, here is minus minus plus 24 into 4. 4 4 is a 16, 6, 4 2 is a 8, 8 on 1, 9, divided 2. So here is minus 5 and here is plus minus 4 6 5 6, it means 1 9 and 2 11 plus 1, it means 12, divided 2. So what will be the answer? Here is minus 5 plus minus divided 2, and if we root 121 we will get 11. So here is minus 5. Look, we can write, now we can write what? We can write thus so x is minus 5 plus 11 divided 2, or x is minus 5 minus 11 divided 2. So 11 minus 5 means 6 divided 2, so answer is 3. Or minus 11 minus 5 means minus 16 divided 2, it means minus 8. Very easy way we can get the answer. So answer is 3 or minus 8. Now let me know if you have any question. Any question, you can put the you can put your comments at description box. So we can get our answer. If you have any question, just write in comments box. Okay, so our 1 done. Let's start 2. Number 2, 2x square minus 11x plus 15 equals 0. Okay, so here a equals 2, b equals minus 11, c equals 15. Now we can put the value here. minus b. Minus b means minus 11 plus minus root b square, it means minus 11 square, minus 4 AC into A means 2, C means 15 divided 2A, 2 into 2, minus minus plus only 11 plus minus root minus 11 square means 121 minus here is 15 into 2 30, 30 into 4 120 and here is 4. So what we will get, here is 11 plus minus 121 minus 120, it means 1 root divided 4. So here is 11 plus minus root 1 means only 1 divided 4. Now look, so x equal plus minus plus 1 divided 4 or x equal plus 11 minus 1 divided 4. So here is 12 divided 4, it means 3, and here is 10 divided 4, it means 2.5. So answer is 3 or 2.5. Very easy way we solve our solution, solve our problem. So this is lecture finish. Next video we will try to find another problem solution. Bye bye.